Alright, got some fresh batteries in our temperature gun. Frigidaire. I think it was a loose 12-volt pump that we fixed down there. This is how you open it up. 2 screws here, lift up. Screws are sitting there. The 12-volt power supply comes up here. It's a 0.98 amp motor. And then if you want hot or cold, you turn these switches on. So let's try the hot. Switching over this. I can see steam come up. 137. 138. And that is pretty hot. I don't want to stick my finger in there. Let's discard that. Let's try the cold water. $63, which is not that cold. I think you need some time for the refrigerant to wake up. Yeah, that's not that cold. So let's try the lukewarm water. Lukewarm or 62, so the cold side is just lukewarm. So we just have to wait for the cold side to do its 134A refrigerant magic. But I can hear the pump buzzing. And once that gets cold, then we're home free. Alright, when this video continues, that means we're doing good.